Hello and welcome back to the channel, children, parents and all the viewers over here. So as we all know that the CBSE has finally taken a decision to cancel the examination. Okay, and this is what I am presenting here is the press release of that what major points were discussed and what were the points were considered before taking this decision of cancelling the CBSE class 12th board examination. So let's go ahead. What it says, we see the CBSE class 12th board exams cancelled. Class 12th result will be made as per the well-defined objective. Okay, and how the result will be on the well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. Decision of class 12 CBSE exams has been taken in the interest of students. Okay, this is what the PM said. Health and safety of our student is the utmost importance and there would be no compromise on this aspect. This is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. Anxiety among the students, parents and teacher which must be put to an end. Students should not be forced to appear for the exam in such a stressful situation. All stakeholders need to show sensitivity for the students. PM. So this all were the points which the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi and the Education Board CBSE has kept in mind before taking this decision. Let's see what else it is saying further. This press release, it says the Prime Minister chaired a review meeting regarding the class 12 board exams of CBSE. Officials gave detailed presentations on the wide and extensive consultations held so far and views received from all stakeholders including the state government. In view of the uncertain condition due to the COVID and the feedback obtained from the various stakeholders, it was decided that the CBSE class 12 board exam would not be held this year. It was also decided that CBSE will take steps to compile the result of class 12 student as per the well-defined objective criteria in the time-bound manner. This is very, very important. Okay. Now CBSE will decide some criteria and on the basis of that criteria the result will be given. Most probably maybe the criteria which they followed for the class 10th, this may be implemented for 12th too. The Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi said that the decision on class 12 CBSE exam has been taken in the interest of the students. He stated that COVID-19 has affected the academic calendar and the issue of board exam has been causing immense anxiety among the students, parents and teachers, which must be put to an end. PM said that the COVID situation is dynamic situation across the country. While the numbers are coming down in the country and some states are managing the situation through effective micro containment, some states have still opted for the lockdown. Students, parents and teachers are naturally worried about the health of the students in such a situation. PM said that students should not be forced to appear for exam in such a stressful situation. The Prime Minister stressed that the health and the safety of our student is the utmost importance and there would be no compromise on this aspect. He said that in today's time, such exams cannot be the reason to put our youth at risk. PM said that all stakeholders need to show sensitivity for students. PM directed the officials to ensure that the results are prepared in accordance with the well-defined criteria in a fair and time-bound manner. Now, referring to a wide consultative process, PM expressed the appreciation that a student-friendly decision has been reached after consulting all the stakeholders from across the length and breadth of the India. He also thanked the states for providing feedback on this issue. It was also decided that like last year, in case some student desire to take the exam, such an option would be provided to them by CBSE as and when the situation become conducive. Okay. The Honorable Prime Minister had earlier held a high-level meeting on 21/5/21 which was attended by ministers and officials. Thereafter, a meeting under the chairmanship of Union Defence Minister was held on 23/5/21 which was attended by the Education Minister of States. Various options for the conduct of CBSE examinations were discussed in the meeting and feedback obtained from the states and union territories. Today, The meeting was attended by Union Minister of Home, Defence, Finance, Commerce, Information and Broadcasting, Petroleum and Women and Child Development ministries and principal secretaries to PM, Cabinet Secretary and the secretaries of the school, education and higher education department and other officials. Okay guys, so this is the press release of the CBSE class 12th examination cancellation. So for more updates, keep subscribe and keep watching to our channel. We will keep coming with this kind of updates, and thank you very much to all of you for watching the channel. I wish you all a good luck ahead. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.